Hey guys, this is Lilith Overnight, and subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell. This is just a random video I decided to make, and this is not the best quality camera that I can use, but my phone is acting weird, so I'm just going to use this one for now. Actually, I think I'm just gonna do a makeup get ready with me on how I do my makeup, usually on a sunny day, especially like girls who like to be alternative, goth, whatever. Doesn't really matter, but people who are more like alternative, edgy, I think it's kind of hard to wear makeup in the summer when we wear like sometimes we can wear like 10 pounds of makeup in a really sunny day. So this is so easy that even a 10-year-old can do it. I promise that I can do better makeup tutorials than this. I haven't been to Sephora in a while, so this is just, some of it is just drugstore makeup, some of it's from Sephora. So this just might be like a drugstore makeup tutorial. I don't know. But yeah, anyway. Let's see. I just had it somewhere, but I was using this moisturizer that I bought at Rite Aid. This is I don't know where the camera is at. This is Daily Logic Beauty Drops Restoring Facial Serum. I have very sensitive skin. So almost everything breaks me out, and this has been working for me. Another skincare routine I do besides using my using stuff on my face. Sometimes when I want to detox, before eating anything, I'll just drink lots of water, and plus, not just that, but I also bought this at Rite Aid. It's also really good. It's amazing grass green superfood, alkalizes, and it detoxes. So every time I've used it, it's also good for my skin as well. But I've tried other products that worked a little bit more effectively. This is the tea that I was talking about that I bought. This is Big Flow Radiant Beauty. It says it has aloe vera, acerola, rose hips, and elderberries. Aloe vera, it says tasty soothing herb commonly associated with radiant skin. Acerola, if that's how you pronounce it, is sweet fruit commonly thought to help support well-being, and delicious rosehip is maintains a healthy glow, and elderberries is considered to help support a well-being. So I'll make a separate video on what I do, a daily routine video, I guess. I don't know. So yeah, I'm not a doctor. This is just what works for me, and I'm still on the search. I'm listening to Chelsea Wolf, so hopefully it's not too loud. So I'm just gonna do. I just had the serum. Oh my god. Oh. I'm gonna use a little bit of this. I already put some on my face. So I'm gonna use this mirror at the same time. Yeah, because last time I used mostly the I mostly used the the camera for a mirror, and it doesn't look so pleasant. This is Pravari. This is just a makeup kit that my mom got me for Christmas, and yeah, so sorry for the lack of makeup. This is just a random video for people who like really are not like big onto makeup. This is just like people who want a very easy, very like general way, pretty much. But I did go to beauty school, so I didn't like the fact that I had to do hair all the time. I have earrings on, so maybe that's making a lot of noise. Let me take that off. I have one on. Oh my god. Yeah, I have to get some new brushes, so I'm just gonna be a little fast in this video because last video I took a really long time. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh my god. So I know this is like kind of like not the professional way to do it, but I do have to get some more brushes. But you kind of have a general idea of, you know, you get your foundation, which I have is this top won't even come on right. Um, this is CoverGirl Clean Liquid Foundation 155 Soft Honey. I do love this brand. It's the least out of all foundations that has made me break out. So I got this at Rite Aid. It's really easy to find. Alright. So I think I am just going to, I know some people like, they touch the neck too, and the ears and all that stuff. But this is just a playful video. I'm not trying to take, I'm not gonna try to be super um, professionistic with this video, if that's a word. Okay. What else am I gonna use? I'm gonna use. Oh shoot. I am going. Oh my god. I'm gonna use Maybelline New York Total Temptation, the eyeshadow palette. Also got this at Rite Aid. Okay. Sorry for it falling off. It's still brand new, actually. It's just been used. I've been using it a lot, that's why. It's still a new one, so it should still be on the market, clearly. Alright. Yeah, so the here are the eyeshadows and the highlighters. Ah! I swear, I shaved. It's just my hair, my I have fun. I'm not even gonna talk about it. I'm so awkward. Anyway, let's just change the subject. Um, I'm just going to highlight my face a little bit with this one right here. Okay, I'm just gonna do the eyebrow, the brow bone right here, the tip of my nose right here. I think I'm gonna go and I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try to do this really fast, and I'm just gonna give you an idea of what eyeshadows I'm gonna use to crease and do the eyeliner. Okay, I'm just gonna use a primer pretty much first. Okay, sorry for the quietness. I hope that you can hear the music. So I used a little primer. Alright, so I'm gonna use this one right here. I'm gonna do I'm gonna do a crease, and then I'm gonna do an eyeliner. Look, I'm gonna use some liquid eyeliner. I'm just coating this lower part of my eye. So all I'm doing is putting primer first, covering the lower part of my eye. I highlighted the brow bone, and then I'm just gonna do the same on the other eye. It's just really simple. Like, anyone can do this. And hopefully you guys can hear me. So I'm just doing the lower eyelid right here. And there you go. And now I'm just going to do a crease. I'll come back. Okay. So I tried to be a little quick. All I did was grab this Ferrari palette. Ferrari. Sorry, it's messy. It's just a lot of makeup that got all over the place. I used this indigo colors right here, and then I used the purple down here, somewhere down here, and I combined them both, and then I just kind of went like that. I know it looks so bad like doing it that way, but I creased both of them. I know they have to be blended better, but you have an idea. You just crease that line that you see down at your lower lid, And okay, that's what happens when I cannot explain myself right, but hopefully you get the message. And I just got this e.l.f. liquid liner that I got at Rite Aid. And all I did was get really close to the lash line and did it line by line by line by line, and then did a little check mark. That's literally what I'm just doing. And that's how I got this shape. Getting really close to the lying lash. As close as you could get. But making sure not to, touch your eyeball. Okay, what I'm going to do real quick is touch up highlighter, do some mascara, and then I think, oh yeah, I'm going to contour. So, I'll be back. Okay, well, this is the final result. All I did was contour, just with this palette right here, the Ellen Tracy contour palette, using the brown, the darkest brown that they had, up to the edges of my temples, to my forehead, two lines down my nose, and that's it. Yeah, so I really wanted to use a ponytail to kind of like